Have you ever dreamed of a place so magical it seems like it was pulled straight from a fairy tale? Well, I'm here to tell you that such a place is real. It's not a fantasy. It's a national park hidden in the heart of Croatia. This place is called Plitvice Lakes National Park. It's a world of vibrant colors and cascading water that will absolutely blow your mind. Imagine a land where 16 sparkling lakes are all connected by waterfalls. This isn't just a park, it's a living, breathing ecosystem. It's a place where nature has been working its magic for thousands of years. Let me paint you a picture. Think of the clearest water you've ever seen, with colors that shift from emerald green to deep sapphire blue. Now imagine that water tumbling over natural dams, creating countless waterfalls that fill the air with a constant soothing roar. As you walk along its wooden pathways, you feel completely immersed in another world. The heart and soul of Plitvice are its 16 terraced lakes. Wow! These aren't just ordinary bodies of water. They are divided into two main clusters, the 12 upper lakes, the 4 lower lakes. Each one has its own unique character and charm. The upper lakes are nestled in a lush, dolomite valley surrounded by dense forests and are connected by larger, more dramatic waterfalls. The most famous waterfall is Veliki Slap, or the Great Waterfall. It's the tallest in Croatia, plunging nearly 256 feet into the lower lakes. Standing near it, you can feel the spray on your face and hear its thunderous roar. It's pure, raw power. But what gives the lakes their incredible colors? It's all thanks to science, my friends. The water is rich in minerals, especially calcium carbonate, which flows from the surrounding mountains. Depending on the time of day, the season, and even the weather, the lakes can appear azure, emerald, turquoise. It's like a natural light show, constantly shifting and changing. It's absolutely mesmerizing. While that's a cool story, the park was officially established as Croatia's first national park in 1949. Its global importance was sealed in 1979 when it was one of the first natural sites in the world to be added to the UNESCO World Heritage List, ensuring its preservation for generations of nature lovers to come. This ancient forest is a true sanctuary for wildlife. It's a place where animals can live and thrive in their natural habitat. The park is home to some of Europe's most iconic large mammals: European brown bear, gray wolves, Eurasian lynx, deer, wild boars. You probably won't see one while walking the main trails, and that's a good thing for both you and the bears. Plitvice is a birdwatcher's paradise, with over 160 different bird species recorded here. You might spot the white-throated dipper, a cool little bird that can actually walk underwater on the riverbed to find food. The park is also home to several species of owls, woodpeckers, and even golden eagles soaring high above the canyons. In the crystal-clear lakes, you can see schools of brown trout swimming gracefully. It's a reminder that this park is a complex web of life, from the largest bear to the smallest fish. This commitment to preservation is the true legacy of Plitvice. So, how do you explore this incredible place? Well, the park has made it super easy and honestly a whole lot of fun. There are a series of well-marked hiking trails and wooden boardwalks that wind their way through the park. You can choose from several different routes, labeled A through K, and they vary in length and difficulty. Some are short, easy loops that just take a couple of hours, while others are full-day hikes that cover the entire park. These boardwalks actually take you right over the water so you can look down and see the fish swimming below your feet. It really feels like you're walking on water. And to help you get around this huge park, there are also electric boats and a panoramic train. These are included in your ticket price, which is just awesome. You can take a silent, peaceful boat ride across Kozjak, the largest lake, which connects the upper and lower lake systems. It's a fantastic way to rest your legs and see the park from a totally different perspective. Each season offers something unique and magical. Spring is incredible. Snow melts and the waterfalls roar with life. Autumn is my favorite. Crowds thin out. Forests become a canvas of red, orange, and gold. Visiting Plitvice means being a good guest. The most important rule: stay on marked trails. And stay on the boardwalks. This keeps you safe. It protects fragile travertine dams. It protects surrounding vegetation. Please don't feed the animals. Keep the wildlife wild. And most importantly, come with a sense of wonder. Now close your eyes and start dreaming of your own Croatian adventure. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the heart of Plitvice Lakes National Park. Whether you're planning your own adventure or simply dreaming from afar, remember, the magic of these lakes is always here, waiting to be discovered. As the sun sets over crystal waters and ancient forests, we hope Plitvice has found a place in your heart. Until the day your footsteps echo along these wooden paths, keep the wonder alive. Safe travels, and see you at the lakes.